When it comes to home improvement, windows often don't get as much attention as kitchens or bathrooms, but they should. Windows impact energy efficiency, curb appeal, and everyday comfort in your home. For Fayetteville homeowners, casement windows are becoming one of the most popular upgrade choices. Sleek, functional, and stylish, these windows offer benefits that traditional double-hung or sliding styles simply can't match. If you're considering a window replacement project, here are the top reasons to upgrade to casement windows in your Fayetteville property. Superior ventilation. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door. This design allows the entire window sash to open, unlike double-hung windows that only open halfway. With Fayetteville's warm springs and humid summers, having maximum airflow can make a noticeable difference in your comfort. Positioning casement windows strategically in your home helps capture cross breezes, allowing fresh air to circulate naturally and reduce your reliance on air conditioning. Exceptional energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a priority for many Fayetteville homeowners, and casement windows excel in this area. When closed, the sash presses tightly against the frame, creating a strong seal that minimizes drafts and air leakage. This tight seal translates to reduced heating and cooling costs, making your home more energy efficient year-round. Many casement windows also come with advanced glazing options and insulated frames that further improve thermal performance, an excellent investment in both comfort and savings. Unobstructed views. One of the biggest appeals of casement windows is their wide, uninterrupted glass panes. Unlike windows divided by horizontal rails, casement styles provide clear, open views of the outdoors. Whether your Fayetteville property overlooks a tree-lined street, a garden, or rolling hills, casement windows allow you to fully enjoy the scenery. They also maximize natural light, brightening your living spaces and creating a more inviting atmosphere indoors. Enhanced security. Security is always a concern for homeowners, and casement windows are designed with safety in mind. Because they close tightly into the frame, they are extremely difficult to pry open from the outside. Most casement windows also feature multi-point locking systems that secure the window at multiple spots along the frame, offering added protection compared to single lock styles. For Fayetteville residents who value peace of mind, this security advantage is a strong reason to choose casement windows. Easy operation and accessibility. Casement windows are operated with a simple crank handle, making them an excellent choice for homeowners who want convenience. They are especially practical in hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks or in bathrooms, where lifting or sliding a traditional sash window can be challenging. For older adults or individuals with limited mobility, the crank system provides a user-friendly solution that enhances accessibility in the home. Modern curb appeal. Beyond function, casement windows add a touch of modern elegance to any Fayetteville home. Their clean lines and minimalist frames blend seamlessly with a variety of architectural styles, from contemporary builds to traditional Southern homes. Upgrading to casement windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal and even boost its resale value. Potential buyers are often drawn to properties that showcase updated, stylish windows that enhance both the exterior and interior look of the home. Versatility in design. Casement windows are available in a wide range of sizes, finishes, and materials, giving you plenty of flexibility in your design choices. Whether you prefer wood for a warm, classic aesthetic or vinyl for a low-maintenance option, casement windows can be customized to fit your style and budget. They can also be combined with other window types, like picture windows, to create beautiful focal points in living rooms or dining areas. Final thoughts for Fayetteville homeowners: upgrading to casement windows is more than just a home improvement project, it's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and style. With their excellent ventilation, energy-saving design, sleek appearance, and added security, casement windows check all the boxes. Whether you're renovating your current property or planning a long-term investment, consider casement windows as a smart and future-focused choice that enhances both your lifestyle and your home's value.